Hello friends, welcome back to Small Budget, Big Look channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful blouse designs from Meesho that are stylish and budget friendly. This is a beautiful traditional embroidery blouse. The front part has elegant thread work, giving it a festive and stylish look. The blouse is perfect to wear with saris for functions, festivals, and special occasions. It is available in different sizes to fit comfortably. The best part is the price, only Indian rupee 338, which makes it a perfect budget pick. Next, blouse red color. This is a premium Vichitra silk fabric blouse with beautiful embroidery work. It comes with short sleeves and gives a stylish traditional look. The blouse is available in size 38, with alterable fitting for comfort. The measurements are bust 38 inches, length 14 inches, and shoulder 15 inches. The embroidery pattern makes it perfect to pair with saris for weddings, festivals, and special functions. The price is only Indian rupee 390, with free delivery on Meesho. Next, blouse is wine color. This blouse is made of art silk fabric and comes with elegant embroidery work. It has short sleeves, giving it a classy partywear look. The blouse is available in all sizes with bust size, length, and shoulder measurements for a perfect fit. The embroidery design makes it ideal to wear with saris for parties, festivals, and special occasions. The price is just Indian rupee 330, and it also comes with free delivery on Meesho. This is a stunning velvet embroidered blouse in a rich blue color with golden thread work. It comes with a classic round neck and stylish half sleeves. The blouse is made of high-quality velvet fabric, giving it both comfort and sophistication. It has a hook and tie closure at the back for a perfect fit, and it also includes inbuilt padding for support in a neat shape. The fit is ready size 38, but alterable from 32 inches up to 42 inches, making it adjustable for many body types. The blouse is available in multiple colors such as black, green, pink, red, and blue. The price is just Indian rupee 313 after discount, with free delivery on Meesho. This heavy embroidery design makes it ideal for weddings, parties, festivals, and traditional functions. This blouse is made with art silk fabric, giving it a smooth and premium finish. It features 3/4 sleeves with beautiful embroidery work, making it perfect for a traditional yet designer look. The blouse is available in sizes 36 and 38, both alterable for a comfortable fit. With extra margin inside, it can be easily altered up to size 40. The length is 14 inches, designed to provide proper coverage and a neat fit. The price starts at just Indian rupee 350, with free delivery, making it a great option for weddings, parties, festivals, and special occasions. This blouse is made of premium silk fabric and comes with zari embroidery and embellishment, giving it a rich and festive look. It features short sleeves with elegant design, making it perfect for weddings, festivals, and party wear. The blouse is available in sizes 36 and 38, both alterable for a better fit. The bust size is 36 to 38 inches, length 15 inches, and shoulder 14 inches. With its designer zari work, this blouse pairs beautifully with silk saris or lehengas. The price is only Indian rupee 410 after discount, and it also comes with free delivery on Meesho. Next, blouse. This blouse is made from high-quality Vichitra silk and comes with elegant embroidery work. It has short sleeves and a classic round neck, making it both stylish and comfortable to wear. The blouse is stitched in size 38 but alterable, so it can easily fit sizes between 34 and 40 inches. The length is 15 inches with a shoulder size of 15 inches, giving a proper and neat fit. The soft, breathable fabric makes it suitable for any season, and the embroidery gives it a festive and fashionable look. It is a perfect match for plain saris, festival outfits, or even special occasions. The price is just Indian rupee 352 after discount, with free delivery on Meesho. Final blouse. This blouse is made of premium silk fabric and features elegant embroidery work, giving it a festive and stylish look. It comes with short sleeves and includes extra sleeves inside for alteration if needed. The blouse is available in sizes 36 and 38, both alterable for the best fit. It is stitched with extra margin inside, so it can be easily altered up to size 40 for comfort. The length is 14 inches with a shoulder size of 13 inches, making it a neat and comfortable fit. This blouse is perfect for weddings, festivals, and special occasions, and pairs beautifully with silk or designer saris. The price is only Indian rupee 395 after discount, with free delivery on Meesho. So, if you are looking for a stylish yet budget-friendly embroidered blouse in silk fabric, this one from Meesho is a great option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Meesho fashion finds. Friends, these were some beautiful blouse designs from Meesho. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please support my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, let me know your favorite design in the comments. I'll be back soon with another video.